Hello, Glamour Moments. We're here at Roseman
Shopping
Fashion
daw, sabi ni Auntie Mitch.
Fashion Outlets in Chicago. I'm only using my phone. We just finished watching Spider-Man movie. You can head to the mall. Yan, ito sarado na. So, let's see. Let's see if we can get there. Mall entrance.
Use the force.
Stop, look, and listen. Oh, lamig, ang sarap. Another one.
Use the force.
Ito, sarado na to. Saan ba tayo? Angry Birds yung nasa ulo niya. So, bagong store to. Stitch. Ayan, midi, collectible, stuffed toy, plush toy. Dito ko gusto. So, may Gap, may Ulta. Yum, yum, chocolate. Sa mo bumili? Sa naudlot mong chocolate. Ayun na, nabibigay oh. Can I get one? Thank you.
Welcome in, everyone.
Yes, we're gonna shop.
Ito mga bako.
Buy two, take one. Gusto ko ng ice cream. Parang gusto ko tuloy ng ice cream. Chocolate barks. You want barks? This is Dubai. Ooh, sarap. O, ito, may mani.
Meat, macadamia. Masarap.
Ay, kinain ko.
Ano macadamia?
So they have ice cream too. So we're gonna walk all over to the end, then we're gonna go up. There's Lacoste. Yeah, it's a new design. I don't like that. There's Story Butch.
Oh, excuse me.
May dumighay po, sorry. Sorry po sa mga nanananghalian. So we got True Religion. Express Factory. This one's nice stairs. Oh, she's looking at Pandora. Where are you looking? What are you looking?
I like Pandora.
Pandora. Just keep walking. Yan, gusto mo bumili ng tsinelas? Ha? Gusto mo bumili sa Crocs?
Tignan natin.
Yeah, we're gonna get into Crocs. Let's see.
Maliwag na nga yung extract mo. Kaya siguro pinaligo.
Tsaka lumalambot yun eh.
Ano, nalamot ko na luwag.
Lalambot, tas lumuluwag.
Yung sa ako ay umaga.
Nagpa-flat. Siyempre kasi ginagamit mo eh.
Huwag na tawag na din yung isang ano na rin yun eh.
Tagal na rin natin bago makabil. 2 years yata. Alright, we're gonna get into Crocs. Yan. May bag na rin sila. Hello, Kitty! Ayun, may Pop Mart din dito eh. Ayan ang food court. Ayan, mga squishy. Ayan. Pop Mart. At topic. Yan o, spider suit. Yung kaya. Di na kami papasok. Nakapasok na ako dito. Wow. Okay. Keep walking. Goddamn wing. Wow, ganda. We just went to the Kate Spade. Bought my new wallet. And shopping. Dinner time. Yours Barrow. So ito ang aming order. 2 pizza yun. Sa kanya na yung isang pizza. Ganito kalaki ang New York style. Wow. Kain na tayo. Yan, closing na yung mall. Antay na kami ng Uber drive. Good night, Rosemont.